Happy Monday, everyone. Taking a little bit of a look outside, we are checking out the upper air levels, and I bring this up in particular because usually you get a little bit of low pressure, colder air, showery conditions, high pressure, warmer, sunnier, and dry conditions. We've got a whole nother thing going on. Low pressure is going to build up very quickly over the course of the next 24 hours just out off of the coast of Oregon and California. Look at this. We call that bombogenesis, also known as a bomb cyclone. Essentially, we have a drop in pressure over our area right off of the coast. 24 plus millibars in 12 hours. It's a very fancy way of saying extreme stormy conditions very likely as we go over the next 24 to 48 hours. This is in particular Tuesday into Wednesday that we're watching for cold air, showery conditions, high winds, and the potential of snow as we get into the day on Tuesday into Wednesday morning. For the valley locations, likely to see the best potential for snow on Wednesday morning. So that's one of the main things we'll be watching. Keep on going through the week. Here's Wednesday, eventually into Thursday, Thanksgiving Day itself. You can see that low is right over our forecast area, all the way down in central parts of northern California, into Oregon, up into Washington. Snow mainly above 1,000 feet, accumulations of snow mainly above 2,000 feet. So we're talking about Ashland and above. Medford, for example, about 1,300 feet or so. So we'll be watching that. In terms of what that looks like, you can see the ridge is built up out there, but the ridge itself keeping all of this storm path, the showers, the precipitation, the cloud cover off to the north. Well, as that breaks down, you dip in with that bombogenesis, you build in that low pressure system, and you start to see that potential of that snow and shower activity making it further to the south. Now, today has that chance of showers as we go throughout the day today, but most of the activity coming Tuesday into Wednesday, bringing us strong winds, heavy snow for the mountains, and some valley snow possible as well. And because of that, we're going to preface it with a few of the watches and warnings that are out there for the time being. Weather alerts in terms of the ocean itself, dangerous seas. Could see some hurricane force wind gusts and some of those steep seas, the waves themselves, 20 to 35 feet. High wind warning as well. That's Tuesday through Wednesday. Some winds 35 to 45 miles per hour. Gusty conditions up to 65 miles per hour. Keep on looking at our weather alerts in terms of a winter storm warning for many areas in the west valleys and at these higher elevations. 6 to 10 inches of snow possible, mainly up in the mountains. Gusty winds with that, and the falling snow could lead to blowing snow, cause some very difficult travel activity, and then 2 to 4 inches of snow down to about 1,500 feet. Areas like Medford itself, probably more seeing a dusting of snow Wednesday morning. In terms of rainfall, we're bringing this up just for 24 hours because by the time we get to the 48-hour forecast, getting into Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, seeing more potential of snow. As you can see, pretty widespread out there, almost the same shape of that low. Let's keep on going. Parts of Northern California starting to fill in as we get into Tuesday morning. Here's your snow forecast itself. Watch, we'll go over the next 24 hours. Not too bad. Look at that. Head into Tuesday. Some potential out there. Now, if it's this lighter blue color, probably not seeing much snow out there. It's mainly the higher elevations, the mountains themselves. So that's not too bad. Let's see what happens as we go into Wednesday morning, though, and very quickly, look at that. Snow mainly above 1,500 feet. Medford, again, just around 1,300 feet. But Wednesday morning, as that low really starts to settle in, highest snowfall amounts, of course, over the Siskiyous, over the Cascades, and a little further to the south as you get into Northern California. That is a lot of snow in a short amount of time. Now, this is a projection, giving you an idea of what we could see in terms of snow. So these lighter colors probably staying more towards just a dusting of snow. Out towards the coast, probably not seeing much at all as we go over the next couple of days. It's the mountains in particular that we're looking at, but it's a big travel week, so that's why we bring it up. Looking at the wind speeds now, we've got a lot going on, as you can tell. Let's keep on going through the day today, your Monday, eventually into your Tuesday. Not that much going on until the system arrives. See it right there? Start to see this darker color out here. Higher winds throughout the area, Ashland 23 mile per hour, and that's not even counting the gusts. Some wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible out off the coast as this next system approaches. Then we do start to calm things down as we get later in the day Wednesday. Here's your pinpoint forecast. Snow possible over the mountains, rain in the lower elevations. Keep on going through Monday. Still some potential out there, but we actually start to dry out as we get closer to Tuesday, and then that next system arrives. Here's Tuesday morning, winds pick up, snow over the mountains. Eventually, Wednesday morning, potential potential of snow at some of those lower elevations. Getting to the forecast itself, rain likely with some breezy winds for today. Even today, a little bit on the active side. Mostly cloudy tonight with showers, temperatures in the 40s and 50s. And the West Valley's temperatures mainly in the 40s today, a little bit cooler than what we saw over the weekend. Snow mainly above 3,000 feet, so still up in the mountains, not quite there yet. And east of the Cascades, temperatures mainly in the 30s with mostly cloudy skies and some snow showers, colder late tonight into tomorrow. Your 7-day forecast, we've got plenty of snow possible over the next few days. It's particularly Tuesday and eventually into Wednesday morning that we're seeing that potential of dangerous travel conditions. Not too bad Thursday and Friday though, so hopefully we'll start to clear things out. Another chance of showers, I'll say, as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Checking out the Klamath Basin, that'll be the trend as well. We've got some snow possible next few days. And then we go into Thursday and Friday, starting to dry things out, but still very cold in the mornings and even in the afternoons, not warming up too much. Very wintry conditions in Northern California, may even extend into Thanksgiving itself as that system passes to the south. And out on the coast could be fairly windy over the next couple of days. Plenty of rain, likely to avoid snow as temperatures do top out in the 50s.